Hello, okay, here we go. Unit 4, Lesson 5. We're going to be looking at using double number lines to solve percent problems. We're going to focus on knowing that the original amount of anything represents 100%. And when you know an amount and the percent increase or decrease, you can find the original. All right, so let's look at this problem. The gas tank in Dad's car holds 12 gallons. The gas tank in Mom's truck holds 50% more than that. How much gas does the truck's tank hold? Okay, so with these kinds of problems, we're always going to start with what's called our original amount, and that's what we're comparing everything to. And in this case, we're comparing everything to the gas tank in Dad's car, which holds 12 gallons. So this is what's called my original. Okay, now my original is always going to be 100%. That's where I'm starting from. So what I know is that 12 gallons represents my 100%. So this is going to be gallons, and then this is my percent. And we're looking at a double number line. The gas tank in Mom's truck holds 50% more than that. So from 100%, we need to add 50% more to get to what is Mom's truck. So what we're looking for is how much does Mom's truck hold? Now, one way we can find that is we can go backwards and then forwards. Well, how do I go from 100% to 50%? Divide by 2. So if I divide 12 gallons by 2, I can find that 50% of Dad's car holds 6 gallons. So if I'm trying to go all the way back forward, and I'm trying to find 150, all I have to do is add my 50% plus my 100%, or 6 plus 12 is 18 gallons. So this is how much Mom's truck holds. A bakery used 25% more butter this month than last month. If the bakery used 240 kilograms of butter last month, how much did it use this month? So the first thing I want to do is identify my original. My original is going to be 240 kilograms. That's how much it used last month. And now we're trying to find the new one, the new number, which is going to be 25% more than my original. So as a double number line, I could look at it like this. I have, let's say, butter, and I have percent. So my original is represented by 100%, which is 240 kilograms of butter. Now what I'm trying to find is my new one. So first I have 25% more, which means it's going to be going towards the right. We have 125% is what we're trying to find. So this, how many kilograms of butter is what we're trying to find. So one way I can do that is I could find what is 25% of the butter. What is 25% of 100%? Well, to get there, divide by 4. 240 divided by 4 is 60 kilograms. So to get my final number, I'm going to add 60 kilograms plus 240 kilograms, which is 300 kilograms. So my final answer, how much did it use this month? 300 kilograms.